turned this challenge into an opportunity for Chemco. These systems leveraged machine learning algorithms to identify anomalies and ensure stringent quality standards. As a result, Chemco not only reduced waste significantly, but also bolstered customer trust through consistent product quality. Finally, AI-driven process optimization proved to be a game-changer in boosting efficiency and reducing production costs. Through real-time data analysis and machine learning, AI helped Chemco streamline their processes, identify bottlenecks, and implement improvements. This led to a more efficient production line that delivered higher output at lower costs. The results? Chemco saw a 20% increase in production efficiency, a 15% reduction in waste, and a significant improvement in workplace safety. But the benefits didn't stop there. Through AI, Chemco also created a safer working environment by predicting and preventing potential safety hazards. All in all, Chemco's journey with AI demonstrates the immense potential of technology in revolutionizing the chemical manufacturing industry. Chemco's success story is just one of many. It's a powerful testament to the potential of artificial intelligence in the chemical manufacturing industry. By leveraging AI-driven process optimization, companies like Chemco are revolutionizing their operations, boosting efficiency, and significantly reducing waste. These smart systems continually learn and adapt, enabling real-time adjustments that streamline production lines and minimize downtime. But the benefits don't stop at efficiency. Predictive maintenance, powered by AI, is a game-changer. It anticipates equipment failures before they happen, enhancing safety and saving costs on expensive repairs or replacements. Quality control, too, has seen a substantial upgrade with AI. Intelligent algorithms can detect even the slightest deviations in product quality, ensuring consistency and reducing waste. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. By minimizing waste and optimizing resource use, AI helps to reduce the industry's environmental footprint. In essence, AI-powered solutions are transforming the chemical manufacturing industry, making it more efficient, safer, and environmentally